From typewriters to computers. This is the story of the typewriter and the computer. People used typewriters long before they used computers. When the typewriter was invented, it was very big. It was also hard to use. People could write words faster than it took to type them on the big typewriter. But by 1874, there was a better typewriter. And on this typewriter, people could type words faster than they could write them by hand. Do you understand how a typewriter works? Look at the picture. There are keys, type, and an ink ribbon. The keys move the type. The type hits the ink ribbon, and the letters are made on the paper. In the 1920s, a new typewriter was made. It was called an electric typewriter. People could type faster using it. They gathered in stores to buy one. And here we see an electric typewriter and a manual typewriter. Soon people demanded a machine that helped them even more. In the 1960s, some of these people started buying computers. Just like typewriters, computers were once really big. But people believed computers could be smaller. One problem with typewriters was that people could not see what they had typed until it was on the paper. When people made mistakes, they sometimes had to type the entire page again. This made them furious. More and more people began to use computers. They were impatient with typewriters. By the 1990s, most people had stopped using typewriters and used computers instead. Now you know what came before computers. Do you think people would have invented computers if they had not invented typewriters first? It is impossible to know. Why is this timetable here? Share it with somebody and see if they agree. Both typewriters and computers have made it possible for people to write, work, and have fun. Okay, that's the end. Now, if you want to do some extra activities, you can try the write about it here on page 11. You just read that computers can help people solve problems. Write a few sentences about a problem from a different book and how it was solved. Persuade the reader that it is a good way to solve a problem. And have you figured out what these words mean? If not, use the other words, pictures, and diagrams to help you.